What up, guys? It's Hacking back with another video, and so I'm gonna show. This is a little new. I'm gonna show you guys how to do Arduino coding. So I got an Arduino Uno. This is the Elegoo model. I'll see if I can put the link in the description down below. And here's a game that I made, and I'll show you how to make it. Sorry. Here, we got it. So it's kind of like one of those memory games. You have to remember it. And then when I get it wrong, that's what happens. Pretty simple build. So I'll show you guys what to do. So let's tear this apart. We start from the bottom. Alright, guys. I got you. I don't feel like editing, so. Okay, so this is basically the simple start. So right here is the basic start. If you guys want to start on that, it's basically what I did. Put the little buttons in, and I put the resistor on the side of them. On the side of the two buttons, the resistor holes go in. And the longer side, this is the LED bulb. The longer side, which is right here, this side is going to go into here, straight with the resistor is. On the other part on that will go into there. Yeah, right into there. It crosses. It can't be on the same exact stick, because they basically go this way. So this whole line of holes is a straight line, so they're all connected. But this way, they're not connected. If you go this way, they're not connected. So let's start. So first, you guys could pause the video. You don't need this in right now. We'll do this later. But this is basically the basic part. I just did the same thing for every single one as you see on here. Just spread this out through the board. It doesn't matter where they are on the board. They just have to be like the same as this area. Okay, so now we're gonna have to connect the Arduino leg. We're gonna have to connect, what's it called again? This part, the left side of the LED gets the plug, and then you plug that all the way into here. So basically two spaces from each other, but this is on the negative rail. And we're going to keep on doing that throughout the entire thing. Let's do one here. Yeah. Got wind. Doing one here. And let's grab another wire. I'll put another one in here. And one more. Oh, by the way, the resistors are 220 ohm resistors. Just so you know. Sorry, I didn't tell you. 220 ohm resistors right over there. So, then we did the first part now. That's basically the whole basic setup part. Now we're going to start the wires. You guys ready? A little confusing here. So we're going to put pin D2, so it doesn't really say D. But if you have the Arduino, the one from Uno, or this, it will be facing upward. So your two plugs will be on the side here, on this side. And your red button will be up here. So the D side is this side of the rail. So we're going to plug it into 2. And 2 is going to plug into right over, let's see, push button 1. So we are going to take this right into here, to the left side of the push button. The left side, when you put in the push buttons, they have the little legs. It's going to be on the left leg. Oh, and you're going to connect a wire to D3, which is right next to D2. Has a little line right there. It's basically 3. And this wire, sorry, my wire's broken, but it's totally fine. Doesn't damage. This is going to go to the left of the wire that we just put. So this is going to go to the resistor. The resistor and this are on the same line. So we are going to continue doing that throughout. But the holes don't just go straight. You have to skip a few holes. So we're going to go to hole 5. Whatever you want to call that. D5. And you're going to stick that to the resistor number 2. On the left side of the resistor. And you're going to go to D6. And you're going to plug that to the left side of the push button. And you're basically going to do this throughout, skipping one every single time. But here we're going to go to hole number 9. We're going to go to push hole number 9 over here. Number 9, and that's going to go to push button 3. Basically, push button 1, 2, 3, and 4. And D10 you'll plug into the resistor here. And D12 goes into push button 4, the left side of the push button. Just to clarify, this is a push button. This little button thing. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see. This is the push button. It's going to go to the left side of the push button. On D13, 13, big number. Going to go to right there to the resistor. We're doing on a roll so far. We're doing very good. Very good here. Comment down below if you're happy with the things you're seeing, or you need anything else, or you want me to change my quality of anything. I'll try to figure out as much as I can. So now we're going to take our ground. We're going to plug it into the GND. It's called ground. GND. And it's going to go to the left side of the wire. And I already have the code downloaded, so as you can see, it started flashing. But we're not done yet. Now we have, I think, 2 more wires. Let's see. Over here. So D4. So this thingy is this little speaker thingy. Whatever you want to call it. The buzzer. And you're just going to plug that into any side of the board facing with the 2 buttons apart from each other. The positive side is going to go to hole D7, number 7, and you're going to plug this into the positive side of D, and the negative side will be D4, is going to be the negative terminal. We're going to plug this in, and I will make sure, I've watched many videos when I was starting Arduino, and all the things would be on the left side. No, all the codes would be down below, but you wouldn't be able to open them for some reason. So now we are going to get a wire, plug it in, and Arduino turned on. So you guys are going to have to go to download the app. It's called Arduino. That's really the name. And in the description down below, I'll put a code. All you have to do is copy and paste it into the app. You're going to copy it from Google, where I placed it. You're going to delete the actual code that's already in there in the Arduino app. Paste it. On the top left, there's going to be a button that's a check mark. And there's going to be a download button. You're going to hit the check mark button to try to compile it, to double check if everything's okay. And you're going to press the download button to get it onto your Arduino. So basically, that's the tutorial. It's very simple build. Very fun game. And if you mess up, that's coming from right here, this buzzer. So basically all the pieces you need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 jumper wires. You're going to need 4 push buttons, 4 220 ohm resistors. You're going to need, you're going to need 4 more jumper cables, 4 LEDs, and a vibrator. So that's really it for this video, guys. If you liked it, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will make sure to have the description down below for all the parts that you're going to need for this. So, you're welcome.